Hello everyone. Today we have discussed on Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. What is Ohm's law? The ratio of potential difference between any 2 points on a conductor to the current flowing between them is constant, provided the temperature of conductor does not change. The ratio of voltage and current is constant. That means V by I equal to R, where R is the resistance of the conductor between 2 points considered. This law applies to electric conductor through good conductor and may be stated as follow V by I equal to R. Another way of it simply means that provided R is kept constant, current is directly proportional to the potential difference across the end of conductor. This linear relation between voltage and current does not apply to all non-metallic conductors. For example, silicon carbide, non-linear devices such as Zener diode, voltage regulator, tubes. Second point is Kirchhoff's law. This law more comprises than Ohm's law and are used for solving electric network, which may not be readily solved by later. Kirchhoff's law applied for first, determining the equivalent resistance of a complicated network of conductors. Second point, for calculating the current flowing in the various conductor. What is Kirchhoff's point law? Yeah, or current law. In any network, in any electrical network, the algebraic sum of the current meeting at a point is zero. The total current leaving a junction is equal to the total current entering that junction. In this figure, some conductors are coming current leading to point where some have currents leading away from point A. Assuming the current, assuming the incoming current to be positive and outgoing current is to be negative. The equation we are finding in this diagram is I1 plus minus I2 plus minus I3 plus I4 plus minus I5 equal to 0. That means equation is summarized to I1 plus I4 minus I2 minus I3 minus I5 equal to 0. I1 plus I2 equal to I2 plus I3 plus I4. That means incoming currents is equal to output currents. This Kirchhoff's law is understanding in another diagram is also. In this diagram, the current I is divided into the different part of current, different path. Branches are R1, branches resistance are R1, R2, R3 and R4, and in this branch flowing current is I1, I2, I3 and I4. The total current is I and voltage is V applied to this circuit. In this circuit, we applied to Kirchhoff's current law and find out the equation is I1 plus minus I1 plus minus I2 plus minus I3 plus minus I4 equal to 0. That means I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 equal to 0. The summation of I equal to 0. That is the Kirchhoff's currents law. We will also discuss on Kirchhoff's mass law or Kirchhoff's voltage law. The algebraic sum of the product of current and resistance in each of the conductor is any closed path in a network plus the algebraic sum of the EMF is in that path is 0. This definition is also understood by this diagram. The summation of voltage I into R plus summation of EMF, that means all other remaining branch, is equal to 0. All the sources of EMF meet on the way means most necessary be equal to the voltage drop in the resistance. Every voltage being given its proper sign plus or minus. Thank you.